Hello guys, and welcome to another market update video. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and also SpaceX. Two pretty interesting pairs, to say it like that. First and foremost, the short on Bitcoin I told you I was in yesterday played out amazingly. This was pretty much the short. Got TP1 on this spontaneous candle, TP2 at VWAP, as you can see here. TP3 around weekly and haven't taken more. Stop loss range the same because stop loss hit is still okay profits. So that was fun. Other than that, we are having both a poor high, previous day high, and we have a poor Asia low, today's low. As you can see here, poor low, poor high. That's something to test in my opinion. We have session VWAP with previous day equilibrium around here, so that may bring a scalp. But the best zones remain testing these lows in my opinion. We have also weak level, which acted as support yesterday, both on this test here and also when reclaiming and found support and gave a great move, even hit the monthly level to the upside. So if you want to just keep it simple, we have reacted to monthly, but my main zones of interest, I'm just gonna hide these just to share it easily for everyone to see. Just hide that one too, and you can see I'm really interested in testing this low, getting a buy tail. So I want to see a wick below this, and ideally maybe taking this low. And if you reclaim with momentum, I'm gonna take a long with stop loss below the low. And to the upside, I want to test these poor highs. I want to see a wick, ideally into the previous sell tail, and getting acceptance below and taking a short trade with stop loss above if you see triggers. The next major zone below would be 64.7 to me. I want to see a long trade around there. And to the upside, 68.5 is big interest for me to look for a trade. That's pretty much the low time frame areas I'm watching as of right now. We can go and take a quick look at my other chart. That's pretty simple chart. We can see at the bigger time frames on a daily chart, we are pushing a previous key SNR zone with previous support, which ideally would act as support right now. We have retraced a little bit, finding support. So if you can see acceptance, I would imagine a push to the upside, to be honest. But this is so high time frame, so this is not potentially a long area, just a reference zone if we get a break and a retest. So looking at the lower time frame levels, we can see this zone acted as key resistance. I told you yesterday. We saw this pretty good short trade, but again, if we reclaim this level, I can still want to see a higher test for a short. But when and if we break and retest this level, I'm expecting 70k before any major retrace to the downside. But for now, resistance is resistance. We can take a quick look at SpaceX as well, because I know many people are wondering how SpaceX is doing. I had a setup, at least some zones, a flip zone on SpaceX yesterday, and it broke. It flipped it and hit even more than my target. I had a potential short if we would see a wick and a close under. Didn't happen. We reclaimed this flip. You can see support, potentially resistance, and potentially resistance on lower time frames. We flipped it on low time frames, as you can see around here, and we got a move towards 227 or something. I'm crazy. My target was 205, so way above my target. So I'm probably selling some SpaceX today, taking some profits just based on this crazy push. And if we go lower, I'm happy to start getting back in, but I need to take some profits on a move like this because my entry wasn't perfect, not at all, but this move was crazy. I didn't buy on this. I bought before, but still a pretty crazy move. So that was pretty much my simple update for today. We're gonna watch for trades as always in the group. So if you want to join my group, just let me know and I can get you in. I'm gonna look for both day trades and scalps today. I'm really looking forward to that. And also, I want to see as many of you in. Want to help you all and get you together of the community, and we can talk together and get stronger together. That's the main goal. And we have some major bonuses on Weex and Kcex right now. Check link in description. and my favorite exchange, BloFin, also link in the description. Other than that, we have FOMC tomorrow. I don't really know what to expect for today, but still, if you see some okay moves, I'm happy to trade it. Whatever it's tomorrow. If it's World War V or whatever, just always watch the price action. If it's worth the risk and risk management, take the trade. So I want to wish you all a fantastic week and stay tuned for FOMC tomorrow. Keep in mind risk management first, and if you want to learn more about that, join my link in the description for joining my private group, and I get to talk to you all today. Have a nice day, and I'll see you all tomorrow with a new video. Bye bye.